Hey everyone. Okay, so I started a new subscription. Now I filmed this one last month because I started it last month, which was March. I'm gonna go through it again, but the glare was so bad because I moved my lights around, and it was a horrible video, so I just didn't even show it, and then I didn't have time to refilm it. So let me show you guys what is in this. So this is a new subscription for me. It is, I'm trying to find a board so I can show you. So you get a little postcard. It says Stay Wild. You can use that. And here are the stickers. So let's go through the stickers. I know this is last month, but I think they're still available. So you can, if you go to Pipsticks, it's called Pipsticks. Did I mention that? I'm not sure. Pipsticks. And you can on Instagram or on Facebook, they always have a deal where you can get off your first month subscription 50% off. And that's how I did it. And then after that, it's $19.95 a month. And that's just flat $19.95. So that was you get okay, so I was very impressed with this kit last month. And $19.95, 20 bucks, and you got all kinds of stickers. Now I just read, because I have a hard time reading through emails and stuff, everyone's little business jibe, and I did not read it until this month. And I guess you can join a Facebook group. I think they have 2 groups, and look at the colors of this one. But see how they're so shiny, and the lights are just like, hey, I don't like that. Well, I guess they have groups on Facebook where you can exchange stickers with other people. Hold on, I got a cough. It's so early in the morning. I've been having throat problems. I have Hashimoto's and thyroid problems, so my throat has problems sometimes. And they got pretty these are, huh? And so you can exchange with other members if you wanted, if you don't like them or so. And then they had another one where you can join their Facebook group, and they have like early bird specials where you can buy before it goes live to the public. I didn't know any of this stuff, so it's kind of funny. Then they have sales. They have sales for the members and things like that. So I got to go join the group because, hello, who doesn't like sales? I love sales. So, and they have such cute stickers. And honestly, these guys are in San Luis Obispo, which is about 2.5 hours away from me. So I told my husband I want to go to their store. So I'm hoping to go this summer and go visit them. But if you look at their store, it's phenomenal. Okay, so that was $20. Wasn't that worth it, you guys? And that was last month. So this is how they come. Today just got happier, and that's their name, Pipsticks. See how it's so shiny? So this is their name, Pipsticks. And like I said, it's it's $20. So you open that up, and then you get a little magazine. So it's called a Pippy magazine, which I could have sworn I kept the magazine from last month. I just don't see it anywhere up here. Oh, here it is. This is the one from last month. So this is March, and so this is I need to read through these because I don't know what it actually says. It probably says to do all that stuff to join the clubs and stuff, but I haven't read it yet. So, but this is what it looks like. So cute. So, and then let's go through it. So I love this package. I love the package, and you can just open it so you can reuse it. So I don't know if they're sneaks or not. I don't know anything about that part. Oh, look at this. You're on fire. Oh, it's a matchbook. How sweet is that? I love that. So, so I don't know what any of these are. Oh, but I do know because I follow this lady. This is Margaret from, is it once a, I don't know. Wait, did she say Oh yeah, this is Margaret. So this is her third Pips collab. She collabed with, she is very popular in the planner world. That's how I know her. I just don't remember her name. Once More with Love. There we go. It's OMWL is OMWL. Yeah. So I follow her on Facebook, and she always has sales and stuff like that. And then you can see the sneak peeks of what's coming and all that stuff. But I love her stuff. Isn't that cute? She does this little. That's her. I gotta sneeze. Hold on. Sorry guys, jeez. It has been a morning. It's only 7:30 and I gotta go do a workout. And so I gotta take a shower and get out of here. And wake up. Look at how cute that is. It's a watering can. It says nurture yourself. Oh, cute. Kind of creepy too. So you can actually cover that if you wanted. Look at, it's kind of funny. So they're your stickers. You can do whatever you want. But, you know, you can't please everyone. So you're not going to, you know, not every sticker you're going to love. I mean, you're not going to be able to use or anything like that. But that's why I guess she has that Facebook group. So, hey. Look at this one. All the faces. I love emojis. I dig emojis. Isn't that cute? Oh, they're so perfectly tiny too. And then you have this one. So fun. That, I mean, I need to count how many. I mean, were you guys counting how many stickers we get? I love that. That is awesome. That's me. That's totally me. And size and everything. So, carbs. Carbs are my downfall. Bread. Oh, I love those. The award stickers. Moved my bod. Ate good food. Took a nap. Didn't dwell. Didn't dwell. It's too early. Didn't dwell. So stupid. Oh my gosh. I know how to read. I promise. Oh my gosh. English is hard. Jeez. Don't read any more out loud today. Jeez. Oh, essential oils. Those are fun. That's unique. And then like you could put stickers all over this one. Oh, you can decorate your own jacket. Isn't that fun? And they have a kids pack also. Okay, quite honestly, you guys, I'm thinking of getting the kid pack because they have some cute ones, and I use those on my fur babies. So I'm like, when they say you're an adult, you can have a birthday every dang day if you want. So eat your cake. And I think that's what I do in life. So that's why I'm a little bit of an avocado. So, oh, this is cute. The yoga essential oils. Yeah, super cute. Look at how pretty these letters are. Super cute. Love it. Just peachy. Yeah, I'm thinking about getting the kids pack. That would be fun. And I think they're like $16.95. It's like a dumpster fire. Yeah, it's a dumpster fire. Everything is fine. Oh, that is what these are. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, it is. Oh my gosh, I got it. I got it. Dumpster fire. That's freaking cute. Oh my goodness. Old time computers. Out of office, sleep mode. How cute. I love it. Okay, so let's count how many we got. So we got one. Maybe I might screw that up, guys. So count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we get 15 plus a postcard for $19.95. Wow, so that makes it over $1 and change. Yeah, I can handle that. I think that's $1 worth. Yeah, I love it. All right, guys, so, I mean, I'll leave a link down below if you want, but I'll see y'all later. Bye.